Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and we are excited to share how we have helped one of our non-profit clients leverage the Google Ad Grant program to significantly enhance their online presence and drive impactful results. Our client, a non-profit organization dedicated to supporting the older adults in Colorado, faced challenges when their Google Ad Grant account was suspended due to lack of understanding of the platform's policies. So after discovering our Google Grant tutorial on YouTube, they have approached us to help them get their account back up and running and optimize their campaigns for the better performance. So here is what we did. The benefits of the Google Ad Grant for the non-profits. With the Google Grant, we can get the non-profit benefits from up to $10,000 per month in free Google AdWords spend. So that actually reducing the marketing cost and boosting the visibility to users actively searching for the related causes. Targeted campaigns help attract the right audience, whether for donation or volunteer signups, while detailed performance metrics provide actionable insights to optimize the efforts and maximize the impact. So now about our client. Our client is committed to improving the lives of the older adults by offering the volunteer programs, services, and the community building initiatives. Their mission is to ensure that the older adult can thrive and age well at home, supported by a network of caring volunteers and the donations. So now in terms of the challenges faced, first is the suspended account. Our client's account had been suspended due to the non-compliance with the Google Ad Grant policies. They have lacked the knowledge to properly manage and optimize the account, resulting in the missed opportunities. Inefficient campaign management. Without a solid strategy, the client Google AdWords campaign were not delivering the desired results in terms of the driving traffic, donations, or the volunteer signups. So now in terms of the solutions implemented to address these challenges, we have leveraged the Google grant funding and implemented the following strategies. First is the account unsuspension. We have worked with Google to unsuspend their account by resolving any compliance issues. Once the account was reinstated, we have ensured that all the future campaigns followed the best practices for the Google Grant program. The next is the keyword optimization. We have focused on targeting relevant keywords to ensure the ads were displayed to users searching for the services aligned with our client mission. Some of the targeted keywords include volunteer work for seniors, retirement home volunteer, help for the older adults, senior assistance program, and so on. We have created the highly relevant ad groups around specific themes like the year-end giving, senior support services to ensure the messaging resonated with the target audience. The next is the engaging ad campaigns. We have launched the multiple search campaigns to identify the best performing ad copy keywords. Additionally, we have tested a Performance Max campaign to expand their reach and increase traffic to their website. Clear messaging. The ads emphasized our client's mission, focusing on how donations and volunteer contribution can make a significant difference for the older adults in Colorado. The next is the landing page optimization. To ensure the traffic from the ads was converted effectively, we have optimized the non-profit landing pages, clear call to actions. We have included the easy to find options to donate, volunteers, and the joint program, making it simple for users to engage. Impactful content. Testimonials and the success stories were added to show the tangible results of the donations and the volunteer efforts, building trust and encouraging action. The next is the geotargeting and the local outreach. Given our clients' focus on the Colorado, we have implemented the geotargeting to focus on local communities in the key areas such as Denver and the northern Colorado. The messaging was customized to resonate with the specific needs of these communities, fostering stronger local engagement. Performance tracking and the data-driven ad adjustments. We have set up the conversion tracking to monitor the performance of each campaign and understand which ads were driving the best results in terms of the donations, volunteer signups, and the website engagement. We also leverage the Google Analytics to refine the campaigns and optimize them based on the real-time data. So now, in terms of the results, by implementing these strategies, our client experienced significant improvement in the several key areas. Our client achieved remarkable results, including a 250% increase in the website traffic, a 40% increase in the donation totaling $52,000, and over 350 new volunteers within 3 months. These efforts also strengthen the community connections, fostering greater participation in events across Colorado. So now, in terms of the conclusion, Google Ad Grants is a powerful tool for the non-profits to reach the new supporters, raise donations, and drive engagement. By effectively managing the Google Ad Grant account, optimizing the campaigns, and actually refining the landing pages, we have helped our client maximize their Google Ads budget and achieve the measurable success. So if you have any Google Ad Grant running and you are just not able to spend the $10,000 or just not able to spend any money, then we can start with the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to do the audit of your Google Ad Grant account free of cost, and then we can send you the plan of action on what you can do to get the spend up to the allocated $10,000 a month. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then please only share the website URL and the location and targeting. We will be able to do the research, and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to get the $10,000 spend on the monthly basis. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.